Presiden FIFA Gianni Infantino memberikan jaminan terhadap timnas Iran tetap berpartisipasi di Piala Dunia. Pernyataan ini disampaikan saat berbicara di Forum Invest in America di Washington DC. Pernyataan ini sekaligus menepis keraguan yang muncul akibat konflik Iran dengan Israel dan Amerika Serikat. Infantino menegaskan komitmen FIFA untuk menjaga integritas kompetisi.
Is the Iranian team coming?
The Iranian team is coming for sure, yes. Yes.
No changes.
We hope that by then, of course, the situation will be a peaceful situation. As I said, that would definitely help. But Iran has to come. Of course, they represent their people. They have qualified. They want to, the players want to play. I went to see them 2 weeks ago. They were having a training camp in Antalya, and I went to see them. They are actually quite a good team as well, and they really want to play, and they should play. Sports should be outside of politics.
Tetap bersama